The Chili Bowl is one of the hardest races of the year to qualify for, especially when you factor in that there's over 350 race cars, just the fans completely surrounding the racetrack. Well, it's one of the most famous races in all of racing.
I don't get nervous anywhere I go to race 100 times a year in the country, and when I walk into this building, I get, you know, those butterfly feelings, and that's the attraction, the energy that this place creates, and it just fulfills through everybody.